Look at these paint bottles, completely messy and full of dried colors, but in this video, I'll show you how to clean them perfectly. First, I'm soaking the bottles in warm water from all sides. Then I'll add some water inside so the dried paint becomes soft and easy to remove. I'll leave them like this for about 3 days while I continue my other craft work. But if you want, you can clean them after 30 minutes or an hour. After 3 days, I'm scrubbing the bottles with an old brush. Since they were soaked well, the paint comes off very easily and the bottles get clean.
Warm water really helps to soften the dried paint.
Now I'm using a scrub pad with a little dishwashing bar to scrub the bottles and remove the remaining stains. As you can see, the bottles are getting nicely clean.
Oh, I just realized I didn't introduce myself.
I am Pushpanjali Chakravarti and you are watching Let's Get Creative with Pushpanjali.
Do you also reuse old bottles like this? Let me know in the comments.
Now I'm taking this old bottle where the paint had dried for many years. Using a compass, I'm gently scraping off the paint first. But be very careful while using the compass, otherwise it may hurt your hand.
Look how nicely the dried paint is coming off.
After that, I'll clean it just like the other bottles. Clean the sides nicely like this. See how nicely each bottle is cleaned. Now just rinse them well with normal water and the bottles are perfectly clean. You can use these for many different craft projects. I already have many craft ideas like this on my channel, so feel free to check them out.
Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more creative ideas.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thank you and stay happy.